Hi folks, so let me briefly show you how this mLRS thing is working on my system. So I have here jumper T16. I'm using a v0.3.16 RC module, which is connected to a flight controller. As TX module, I'm using this v0.3 mini dev board, and you can see that I have here these mods. Here is the LED, here is the Schottky diode, and please note that the resistor is not connected, right? So it's just here for nothing, right? So in the latest firmware, this additional resistor is not needed anymore. So that's this here. When concerning the firmwares, it's, I think, here, right? So we can go here. So you see that this here is muffling for OpenTX v0.3.16 RC2. It's based on OpenTX 2.3.15. So that's what this is. I have the YAPU script installed, and it is working. It's 1.696 dev version, right? I have 2 screens installed. So this is the screen 2. So here you see the 3 screens. And CSF is enabled. So let's check this. So here you can see CSF, right? So with this usual thing here. So with 400 errors, which you have seen, came because I did touch with my finger, did touch this resistor, right? Okay, so then I have here, okay, YAPU config. I mean, you can go briefly into that to see that CSF is connected. So here it's connected, is enabled, right? When you can see when we go into this YAPU debug CSF, you can see that all these messages are coming in, so that's all working fine. What else am I supposed to show? I guess nothing, right? So here is now this Lure script, right? That's what we want to play. So did connect well, right? So we can change now here the thing, which you said is offending. Here you can see the firmware versions, right? The latest firmware versions here, mLRS firmware versions, right? So
telemetry lost, RF signal critical, telemetry recovered.
So I'm going to just repeat this now a couple of times.
Telemetry lost, RF signal critical, telemetry recovered.
So let's make it a bit more fancy. Also change the frequency.
Telemetry lost, telemetry recovered.
So let's change this here.
Telemetry lost, telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost, RF signal critical, telemetry recovered.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I should say, right? I'm not sure how often I should repeat that. So we can do some reloads, just for the sake of fun. We can maybe change here some parameters. Oops, this is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to change this here. Right, so we can reload it when you see that it's updated. Yeah, let's save it again. Let's go back to 19.
Telemetry lost, RF signal critical,
so now we can go for the sake of the fun. Look here, right? So this is looking good. So so you can see now the configuration, right? It's CSF. Let's change something just for no, we don't want to change this. We can change this here maybe. Then we change this here maybe. Right, so this is in the transmitter side, so let's save it, and so this should not really be a
RF
problem.
signal low.
So let's change the spec here. Right.
RF signal critical.
So let's do some changes here. Maybe, I don't know, here maybe something here, this here, right? Can change this here.
RF signal critical.
So let's change the spec. So I had here CRSF here. When I wanted to have this at this here and muffling, and this here we can go back to it was for experimental reasons.
RF signal
Yeah,
low.
I mean, this looks good to me. So I really have no idea. I have no idea what the problem on your systems is. Right, and I could repeat the same thing on the TX16S. So, yeah, that's it.